Hey everyone, we've got something exciting to share. We just added a brand new feature in Templett, rulers. If you've ever wanted a little extra help keeping things neat and perfectly lined up, you're going to love this. This feature makes it easier than ever to design with precision and consistency. Let's choose a template so you can see how it works. Enabling rulers is super easy. Just go to File, Settings, Show Rulers. Once you turn it on, rulers will appear along the top and left side of your workspace. This feature helps you keep track of the exact size and placement of your elements and gives you that instant visual guide. For example, as I move this heading around, you can see how the ruler helps me position it with precision. It's such a simple tool, but it makes a huge difference when you want your design to look polished and professional. That's the brand new rulers feature in Templett. Try it out on your next project and see how much easier designing becomes. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates. Thanks for watching and happy designing.